I'm my channel So today I have the one video that I want to sharing. But okay, the problem is unable to read the data. Please consult your dealer. Model Lexus LX570. Okay. Now the problem, you can check the memory card, and this is a memory card, but in this slot is not memory card. The problem, unable to read the data. Please contact your dealer. The problem may be no SD card in the map, SD card map on the slot, and if I have the insert the SD card, if insert is the SD card is not operating, is a slot, maybe slot the SD card map is a problem. And if the slot memory card no problem, maybe software update. Okay, you can update the software after micro SD AC. Okay, yeah, this is the problem. The unable to read the data, please contact the dealer. The problem, you can check your SD card on the slot. If you have the SD card on the slot, maybe a problem the SD card, or maybe the problem the software on SD card, maybe the problem on software. Okay, update, and sometimes hard disk. Okay, for LX570 or another Lexus. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please comment on my video. Good luck.